What if I told you that some of the world's biggest companies are actively hiring remote workers right now, and some of these jobs don't even require years of experience? In today's video, I'll show you 5 legitimate companies that regularly hire remote employees. I'll explain what jobs they offer, who they're looking for, the official website, where you can apply, and I'll even share a bonus company at the end that many job seekers completely overlook. If you're serious about working from home in 2026, don't skip this video. Some of the best opportunities are near the end, and you don't want to miss them. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to Vision Lab and turn on notifications because I upload new remote job opportunities every week. Now, let's get started. The number 5 company currently hiring is Amazon. They are one of the largest employers. They frequently recruit for many positions, and you'll often find openings in fields like customer service, human resources, software development, cloud computing, project management, and business support. Depending on your location, many roles are fully remote while others may be hybrid. And the official careers website to apply for this remote job is the website showing on the screen now, www.amazon.jobs. Search for the keyword remote after opening the careers page to see available work from home opportunities. Here's a pro tip for you. Create a free account and enable job alerts. Emails you whenever a new remote position is posted. And the 4th company that is currently hiring remote workers right now is GitLab. GitLab is famous for being an all-remote company with employees working from countries all over the world. And their popular roles include software engineering, customer success, sales, marketing, finance, and human resources. And the official website to apply for this remote job is the website showing on the screen now, about.gitlab.com/job. GitLab provides detailed job descriptions and explains exactly what skills are required before you apply. Before I reveal company number 3, have you ever worked remotely before? Comment yes or no below. I'd love to know where you're watching from, and I personally read as many comments as I can. Now let's continue. And the 3rd company that is currently hiring is Salesforce. Salesforce is consistently ranked among the world's best employers, where applicants find remote job opportunities. And the official website to apply for this remote job is the website showing on the screen now, careers.salesforce.com. Before you start applying, I've put together a free PDF containing a list of the best websites to find legitimate remote jobs, plus direct links to apply. To get your free copy, click the first link in the description and download it today. It could save you hours of searching and help you find your next remote job faster. Now, let's get back to the video. And the 2nd company that is currently hiring remote workers right now is Shopify. Shopify is a remote-first company. They hire from different parts of the world. They have been hiring thousands of remote workers. Over the years, the company has offered thousands of opportunities across multiple departments. And this popular include customer support, software engineering, UX design, marketing, product management, and the official website to apply for this remote job is the website showing on the screen now, shopify.com/careers. And all you need to do is to create an account in shopify.com/careers, search for the remote jobs that suit your niche, then apply. Before you start applying, I've put together a free PDF containing a list of the best websites to find legitimate remote jobs, plus direct links to apply. To get your free copy, click the first link in the description and download it today. It could save you hours of searching and help you find your next remote job faster. Now, let's get back to the video. And the last company that is currently hiring remote worker right now is Microsoft. Microsoft continues to recruit remote professionals for a wide range of positions and get paid. And most times, Microsoft often gives you training. Visit microsoft.com/learn before doing the job. You don't need to worry or looking for experience to get started. Everything is under control with Microsoft. And the current opportunities may include artificial intelligence, software engineering and data science, technical support, and cybersecurity. Check out the website name and the official website to apply for this, the website showing on the screen now, careers.microsoft.com. Use the location and remote work filters to find opportunities that match your country. Here are some bonus remote job websites. If none of today's companies has the right opening, don't worry. These websites list thousands of remote jobs every day. And these websites are FlexJobs, flexjobs.com, We Work Remotely, Remote OK, Wellfound, wellfound./jobs, LinkedIn, linkedin.com/jobs. Here are some final tips. Check remotejobsource.com. First, tailor your resume. Second, update LinkedIn. Read job descriptions. Fourth, apply consistently. Consistency gives an advantage. If this video helped you discover new remote job opportunities, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who is also looking for a work from home job. Let me know in the comments which company you're applying to first. Subscribe to Vision Lab for weekly remote job updates, AI tools, freelancing tips, and online income strategies. Check out the free PDF containing a list of the best websites to find legitimate remote jobs, plus direct links to apply. To get your free copy, click the first link in the description and download it today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck with your applications.